beaten and won't go. And here's number 13 on Harris. Oh, the Euro step and the pass finish. On the middle. Bounce. Sidestep. Floor of the window. Bagat for 2. South. Attacks. Pinabitin. My foul. Basket and 1. And good ball. And a drive side step. Fire of the window. Yes, sir. 2 or 3 quarterfinals mga idol. And here you go, jump ball mga idol. And parehas white yung magkakita sila. And here's number 26. Drives to the hoop, won't go. Mid lane, here's for team Cluster 9. Bang! First block. And 3-1 score natin. No look pass on the middle. Bounce, sidestep, floor of the window. Bagat for 2. Here's Cluster 2. The cross pass to number 26. Drives, stop. Looking for the receiver. Kicks out. Attacks. Pinabitin. My foul. Basket and 1. And here's number 28 for Cluster 9. Gandang pasa. Ang gandang tira. And here you go, Cluster 2. Bounce pass to the corner. He drives. He fires off the window. Yes. Nasaan ang kalaban? And natapik. Number 10 recovered. Cross pass. Drives. Fire off the window. And that's a good for 2. And we are tied at 7. He's on Harry. Number 28 fires. Short. And a chance to lead the game for Cluster 2. And here's number 13. He kicks out. And a drive. Sidestep. Ang gandang pass at the floor. And yes. And a long pass. And now change favor mga idolo. And here you go. Cluster 9. Number 18. He dribble the ball. Pass it to the middle. Number 28 holds the ball. Pass on the inside. Number 22 the foul. And the bucket. A chance. 2 for Cluster 9. Made the 3-point play. And this floater. And won't go. And here's number 28. The long pass. Eksakto yung pasa. Sumagasa off the window. And 3. And the long pass. Number 13. Stop. Picks. Behind the back pass. Fires off the window short. And he recover. Rebound by number 13. And a pass it to the middle. Wide open for 3. Off the mark. Battle for the rebound. Goes still. Cluster 2. He pass on the inside. Supal palang inabot. And here's number 11. No look pass on the inside. He fakes. He bump. Clutch fire. Oops. Hindi natamaan yung ring. And the long pass. And a fire off the window. Yes, sir. Possession for Cluster 2. Here's number 11 at the middle. He drives. He floats. Floater shot. And a bucket for... And rebound still. Cluster na pinabitin and won't go. And here's number 13 on Harry's side step. Oh, the Euro step. And the... Cluster 9. Number 23. Number 22 drives. Binangga. May... And number 8, the rebound to number 10. Number 13 again. Oh! Common. And here's number 18. Receives the ball. He dribbles the ball. He attacks. Side step. Floater. And I won't go. Rebound. Cluster 2. Here's number 13. Is on Harry. Tuloy-tuloy to the rim. And a bucket for 2 lead. Silang minamalas sa free throw mga idol. And all the way to the hoops. And a bucket for... And last 2 minutes remaining for the first quarter. Number 28 passes it to the middle. He fakes. Is stolen. And number 13 for Cluster 2. Beat you. And number 11 for Cluster 2. 2-on-2. And ball is stolen away. And here's number 11. Sumali the umatake fires. Easy ba? And shot clock running down to 10. And pass it to the corner. And number 13. Shot clock down to 7. And ball is stolen away. Number 22 holds the ball. Pass it to... And he's set to play. He's stepping back. Fires at 3. Short. Rebound. Reverse layup. And he connects. Finish that 2-point shot. Pass it to number 13. And dribbling the ball. Setting the play. He stops. Looking for the receiver. Pass it to number 10. Pass back to number 13. And shot clock running down to 10. He drives, he fires, and a bucket. Won't go. And here's number 13 for Cluster 2. Behind the back dribble. The bounce pass to the middle, to the corner. He fakes again. One more fake and he cross pass, number 13. And number 13, shot clock down to 9. Siding step, the floater, and a bucket. And here's number 22 for cluster 9. Holding the ball. And pass it to number 28. The bounce pass to the middle. Kakaldag, pinasa sa loob, pinabitin, my foul, and a bucket. Number 13. Dribbling at the middle of the court. He decided to go in the 3-point area, and here's number 13 holds the ball. Di Discarte. Aatake. Bounce pass. Corner, so palpal. Ball is stolen. Here's number 11. He's on Harry. Pinasa kay number 22. He drives. He pump. He fire. Rebound and a putback shot. And a bucket for 2. And shot clock down to 10. He attacks. He fires. And a bucket. 3-point lead for cluster 2. Pumasa sa loob. He fires off the window. Money. To 5-point lead for cluster 2. Drives. Floater. Number 11. And a bucket. Down. And it's number 13 for cluster 2. He is stopped. He pass it on the inside. Number 26. Spin move. Bumalik. And 25 to 29. And still cluster 2 up by 4. And here's number 11 to number 22. Umatras. Dumistansya. Umatake. Natapikan. Stolen away. Baseball pass. Number 13 all the way to the hoops. And a bucket for 2. 3 on 4. Number 13 is stop fake. Pump. Oh, gandang peke. Uy, didn't pin. Still rebound. And pass it to the middle. Pass inside. Libreng. Connects. Here's number 11. Drops at the middle. He fires. Too strong. Battle for the rebound. Number 13. Pinilit. Oops. Recover. Fakes. Bounce pass. Pineke pa. Oh! Bucket for 2. 2 holds the ball. Pass it to number 11. He fakes. He pass back. Number 22. And pass it back to number 11. Shot clock down to 6. And number 22. Ang gandang pasa. And pocket for number 11. Setting the play. He stopped. And he give it to the corner. Fires at 3. Bang! Cluster 9. Number 11 stops. He spins. He pass it to number 22. Pass back. Number 11. Drives. Pinasa pabalik. Number 69 for the recover. Drives on the corner. Bumangga. Oh! It's offensive foul. Cluster 2 crosses the mid lane. Driving the ball. He attacks. He pass it on the inside. Ball is stolen away. And here's number 23. All the way to the hoops. He lays in a bucket for 2. Number 11 for cluster 9. Dribbling at the middle. Pass to number 22. He launched at 3. Bang! At the logo. He pass it to the corner and 3. Bang! The answer. Number 11 is on Ari. He pass it to number 22. Bumangga. Sinagasan. Oh! Si Rep. And here's number 13. Floater at the free throw area. Won't go. Rebound. Cluster 9. Number 11. Nag-sidestep sa gitna. Pinasa. Nabitawan yung bola. Fires off the window. Here's number 13. He pass it to number 11. Pass back number 13. And a ball movement again. And he kicks out. Great movement for cluster 2. Bang! That's 3. And a 12-point lead for cluster 2. And here's number 11. And drives. Number 23 fires. Won't go. Rebound cluster 2. Number 13. And pass it to the middle. Number 11. Dumistansya. Pinasa. Titira sa 3. Bang! Another 3. And here's number 26. All the way to the rim. Bucket for 2. And here's number 28. Drives. Natapikan. Number 11 is stolen. And here's number 11 for cluster 2. He kicks out. Wide open for 3. He launch. Bang! And here's cluster 9. Pass on the inside. And he bump in. Pocket for 2. Number 26. Drives. Binato, wala. Na-recover. And it's number 10. Cross pass, corner 3. Bang! Another 3! Back to back. And 57 to 30 score natin. Number 26, ang gandang pasa. And the connect. And here's cluster 9. He drives, he kicks out, pull up jumper, bucket for 2. And here's number 11. Pass it to the corner, number 13. Pass back, number 11. Fires at 3. Bang! Off! Number 11 crosses the mid lane. He stops. He passes it to number 26. Number 11 again. Number 13. 4-3. Bang! Back to. And it's number 11 to number 22 to number 11. Drives at the middle. He sidestep. He kicks out. Fires at 3. Too strong. Baseball pass. Number 13 receive. And he pass. Fires off the glass. Yes, sir. And here's number 11 to number 18. Pull up J. Yes, sir. And here's number 11. He's slowly dribbling the ball. Pass it to the corner. And drives, lays. Number 26. And here's number 11. Pinasa sa bench ng kalaban. Number 11 to number 10. Pass it to number 13. Floater shot. Bucket again. Number 13. Rebound number 28. Long pass. And all alone. And fires easy bucket. And he's slowly dribbling the ball. Pass it to the middle. Number 7. Number 26 on the corner. He pump. He fires off the window. And it's number 18. Lays. Too strong. Recover number 23. Pull up jumper using the glass. Bucket for 2. 76. Number 18 fires. No good. Rebound. Put back off the window. Bucket for 2. 25 to number 10 sa gitna. One bounce. Supalpal. Recover. Shot clock down to 5. Sa 3. Bang! Another 3. 2 points. Number 26 with the ball. Pass to number 76. Bounce pass. Oop, Lopez. Fading away. Wala. And good ball. And a drive side step fire off the window. Yes, din. Pass on the inside. Libre. The connection. Number 28. Behind the back dribble. He crossover. Almost stolen. He recovers. He drive. Pinasa. Pull up jumper. Bucket for 2. Number 2. Agawan. And a pass break. And all the way. Easy 2 points. Number 13 taking it easy. He asked for the screen. He stopped and he fires at 3. Off the mark. Naagawan ng Candy sa ilalim. Pinasa kay number 9 pinabitin. Short. Nakalusot. Number 28. Pinasa sa corner. Sa glass. Pasok yan. Number 14 natapikan. Naagawan. Number 13. Side step plays. Wala. Rebound putback. Drives to the hoop. Slays. Yes, sir. And here's number 26. Number 11. Shot clock down to 10. And drives. Stops. Pass on the inside. Bumalik. Tumira sa glass. Tinira sa glass. Pasok. Nagmamadali si number 11. Bumangga. Natapalan pa. And here's number 11. Binit-bit. Too strong. Hinasa pa. And behind the back. Pinasa sa loob. Sa glass. Pasok yan. Number 10. And here's number 11. Number 11. Umatake. Lace. Yes, sir. Naagaw pa oh. Wala. Isa pa. Pasok yan. Back to back. Number 18. Supalpal pa. And yun. Winner cluster 2. Congrats.